Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. July the 8th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a day. Boy, do we need this day, do we not? Of course, I did not make as much as I should have made, but still, tremendous day. Oh, baby, gotta love the money lots. Dollar index, let's get right to it. Got a lot to talk about. A lot of different things going on. How about those bond yields collapsing, dollar yen just melting down? Holy cow! How did Hank Greenberg ever get? Oh, I don't even want to. The biggest criminal in the world got his money from stars now. So again, dollar index again breaking out, trying to break that level. But again, the key level here to me, you got to get above 81. We get above 81, and again, we're going to get to my big level here of 82. Now I know the euro. Listen, the euro's putting up a fight. Cable should be the easy one. Euro sterling we're going to get to is grinding higher. That means the euro's going to go down, but cable's going to collapse. London numbers have been terrible. I'm telling you, they had a couple of months where they were good. All the rest of the numbers on London are going to suck. Stock market making a nice comeback today, but again, bond yields. The Treasury auction. American Express coming out and saying things suck. Yeah, well, American Express was like General Motors. American Express goes. So does the U.S. economy. Oh, baby, people are finally starting to smell the roses. Listen, my game plan, I think we come in, okay? I think we're going lower, but this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, bang, bang, bang. So down another 150, 200 pips in Asia. If we get a bad number out of Australia tonight, big number there. Big. B-I-G. We get a big number there to the downside, and the Aussie's down another 100. I want to get long. Dollar yen down again, double bottom. Let's get to it. What a day. 36.24 is the first Fibonacci retracement from the lows here. Now, I would rather take it from here. I think the better Fibonacci is probably from this level here. Again, that's 137.80. Do it yourself as far as exactly where it should be. It's lower. I can zoom in, but I don't have much time to dwell on such things. You do it yourself. It's for free, for crying out loud. Hope I made you a ton of freaking money today. Days like today paid for a lot of choppy days, I'll tell you that. Dollar yen. Oh, I never expected this. Never. I got out right here. I said thank you very much. So remember, we were short from 95. Remember my show? I got short yesterday. I can't remember the last time I made that much in dollar yen. 125 pips, 150. I consider that very good for me. You know, the carry trade's another story. I do very well on those. Sterling, daily chart, say goodnight, say hello to 155. Abso-freaking-lutely. Oh, baby, come to Papa. I'd say 156. This move in the dollar index is not done. Dollar yen today was over-exaggerated. I think dollar yen has a chance of anything to rally. I think it double bottoms first. Futures are probably going to be lower. Stock market making a big comeback today. I think the futures will probably be down pretty much tonight. And again, we have a rate decision coming out of London. I don't think that's a big event. I think the Australian numbers are pretty much more important, with commodities getting taken out to the woodshed and shot today. You know, it's funny. Today was you had to have a lot of patience today. Yeah, we had the move in Asia, you know, down, never really bouncing. Things really started to get going around 2 in the morning. You know, we bottomed out, 2 a.m. Eastern. And then we futzed around for about 8 hours. And as I said to my team, I'm like, guys, girls, it's coming. Don't you worry. One way or the other, we were short. And I stood by my trade, and it was very difficult. I even had some people actually disagree with me. The master. Oh, baby. You gotta love vilification. Anyway, vindication, whatever you want to call it. Pound dollar going low. Say bye-bye at least tonight, down to the 159, 58.50 level. Euro sterling, again, going to continue to grind. Euro sterling is going to continue to grind higher. Coming up on a major channel line here to possibly rally. Looks to me like it's going higher. Again, buy on pullback. Oh, baby. Take a look at the Australian dollar because, again, that had a massive move today. For the Aussie, that is, of course. Breaking through big channel line support. Ooh, covered right around here. I figured, listen, we did very well today. I made almost 1,500 pips, but not the point. I left 1,000 on the table. Easy. Oh, I left 150 on sterling yen. Another 100 on euro yen. Multiple lots. Hey. Ooh, still, hey, you know what? We'll take it. Again, dollar yen, all right, and Aussie dollar. You want to do your Fibonacci. And we're looking about 75. I mean, listen, we are busted here. Oof. I guess, maybe not. I was thinking maybe reversal type. Listen, nothing says we can't come in and then bounce. So I'm just saying that if this Aussie dollar is down another 150 pips from these levels here, I think you got to look for a bounce. We'll probably grind and bounce and then grind down to this level. But remember, dollar index, big spot at 82. So to expect this to happen tomorrow, probably not going to happen. But bad number. Oh, baby. And I'll tell you, this dollar Canada also, oof. Trying to push higher, trying to get to our 117 channel line. Oh, let's get it. Look at that. I actually nailed it. Ooh, hang on. You gotta be very precise. Oh no, you get that. I knew I got it. Oh babe, come to 117.50, and that's it. And then it's lights out for Euro Canada. Remember, the last 9 out of 11 years, July has been positive for the Canadian dollar. A fact. How do you like that now? Let's look at Euro Canada. So funny. What a day. It exceeded my expectations. This sucker keeps on making new lows and bouncing like you know what. I mean, I can't get a break. I only cover 1 unit down here, but I mean, I got to keep buying this thing. You could be making 100 pips selling and buying this Euro Canada in this 100 pip range now for the last 5 days. I am getting a little nervous. But I will not waver. I will not be deterred. It is going down. We hit this major channel line. No freaking way. If it closes above 163.50, I will have to give way. But that's it, baby. 163.50 is my line. Uncle. This Eurozone sucks. Canada has stuff. I understand. I get it. Commodity prices are plummeting now, and that makes sense. I told you gold was a great short. How about that gold? Loved it. Look at this break in euro yen. Now we're at Fibonacci levels. So you really got to go to Fibonacci levels in euro yen. You want to be precise, do it yourself. You know what I'm talking about. We're talking about 126. That's another 250 pips, people. And I definitely see support there. So 126, oof, can you imagine? We're going to be short, and we're going for it. But again, I believe tomorrow's unemployment claims are going to be better. I'm making the call. You heard it here. You got to get long into that number. If you see a hammer on the hourly in the carry trade, and that's the euro yen, sterling yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, New Zealand yen, loonie yen, all of them, I think you got to get long. We've come a long way, baby. We're talking about 1,200 pips now in sterling yen in a matter of 5 days. If there's any setup for a better number, oh, and I'm making the call, baby. And if I hit it, you people better be going premium like sheeps in a flock. Oh, I'm giddy is right. I'm delirious. info@globalfxradio.com. I'm making the call. We get down to 145. Look at that. I want to get long. That's a bad channel. Oh, you can do it yourself at this point. Come on, I've taught you the whole thing. We could bounce up to here. We got to get short. Again, this is where the bounce is going to be at 150 from tomorrow's bottom. info@globalfxradio.com. They all look the same. Look for your Fibonacci levels and look to buy before non-farm payroll claims.